good day and good evening everyone. I am Pauline Joy Dimuntang, a future educator from BSED 1. So today, we are going to talk about children with visual impairment. So our title is Empowering Children with Visual Impairment. So what is visual impairment? Visual impairment is a condition where child vision is impaired to the point where it is interferes with their ability to perform everyday tasks and learn. This also a child experiences challenges assessing information, developing social skills and participating activities, but with the right support, they can thrive. By providing the right support and accommodation, we can empower children with visual impairment to reach their full potential so we can help them develop confidence, independence, and love for learning. So, as a future educator, we can make a difference in the life of children with visual impairment. We can learn about their needs, adapt our teaching methods, and provide individualized support. As a future educator, we also give some strategies for supporting assistive technology, providing tactile materials and large print materials. We can also focus on developing their auditory and kinesthetic skills. In the conclusion of this video, let's work together to create an inclusive and supportive environment for children with visual impairment. We can make a difference in their lives and help them shine. Let's continue to spread love. Let's continue to spread respect so that children, they can embrace and they can shine. That's all. Thank you for watching.